Okay guys, in this lessons right here, I'm going to show you how to graph linear equations that are in standard form. Okay, so we know that standard form is ax plus by equal to c. So normally we cannot graph it in this form. We have to convert it to slope-intercept form, which is y equal to mx plus b, and then we graph it. Okay, so if the question looks like standard form or non-standard form, whatever it is, we need to convert it to this form, and then we graph slope-intercept form. Okay, so let's look at number one. So in number one, it is in standard form, so we need to change the equation into standard slope-intercept form, and then we graph. Okay, so step one, I'm going to move the 2x to the other side, so subtract 2x. Then I get negative 3y equals to negative 2x plus 6. Then divide everything by negative 3. Then I get y equal to, this one negative over negative, that's a positive 2/3 x. And then this, we have a positive over negative, so that's going to give us a negative 2. So m is 2/3 and b is negative 2. So negative 2 goes here. We always graph the y-intercept first. And then the slope is positive, so that means we rise up and run to the right. Okay, so we go up 2, run to the right 3. That's the next dot. Up 2, run to the right 3. That's the second dot. But we don't want those steps in our graph. It's not part of our graph. So I'm going to take this away and connect the dots, and we are done. Okay, okay, let's move on to number two. Number two is not in standard form, so we can't graph it from here. So step one, convert it to slope-intercept form again. Okay, so I'm going to move everything to the other side, so that way y equals to something. We subtract 3x first. Then I get y minus 5 equal to negative 3x. And then I add 5. Then y is equal to negative 3x plus 5. So this is slope-intercept form, so that means m is negative 3 and b is 5. So 5, the y-intercept 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So up here, here is the negative slope, negative 3. That means it's negative. We go down 3 to the right 1. Down 3, 1, 2, 3, to the right 1. So put the dots right here. Next dot, and then you can just keep on going until we fill up the graph. Okay, so I'm going to go back and erase my steps. That is not part of my answers. Fix the dots, connect them, and you're done. Okay? Okay, let's move on to the next problem. Okay, next problem. This is in standard form. We do the same thing. We're going to convert it to slope-intercept form. So we're going to subtract 2x. Then I have negative 4y minus 2x plus 4. Divide everything by negative 4. Y is equal to, okay, this right here, negative and negative is a positive, but this will be a fraction. It's not 2x, okay? It's 1 over 2x. This is divisible by 2. 4 divided by negative, positive 4 divided by negative 4 is negative 1. So m is 1/2 and b is negative 1. So negative 1 is right here. 1/2, that means you go up 1 to the right 2, up 1 to the right 2, and so on. Okay? And then go back and erase those lines. We don't need those. Connect the dots, and we're done with number 3. Okay, last problem. So this problem right here is a special case because it is already in slope-intercept form, standard form as well. You will still get a line, okay? And we talked about this with this special case before. So whenever you have an x equal to a number, you always get a vertical line, okay? And if you look at this, the slope, which I didn't ask you to identify, but we'll identify it anyways. The slope is undefined because we cannot walk vertically, right? And the y-intercept, it's none because it doesn't touch the y-axis at all, so therefore it's none. Okay, and we are done.